this tool works. This is the dispute analyzer right here. And so, without further ado, I'll just walk you through it. Kind of self-explanatory right here. We got the categories that are most often found within a credit report. I'll go ahead and do late payments, very common. As you can see, what the tool does is it guides you and funnels you down to the end account analysis, reporting violations, the strategy that you should approach considering these previous three, and then number 5, finally escalation, what we should do. So here we are on reportability. Is the account with the late payments currently open or closed? Oftentimes, let's just say it's closed. Closed account has been closed. When was the account closed and what's the late payment situation? It even has a little explainer here that goes into greater detail right here. But again, when was the account closed and what's the late payment situation? Late payments are within 7 years. Late payments within 7 years, creditor closed it. Let's say the account closed, we paid it off, but there were some late payments still on there, right? So let's go with this one. Closed by consumer verify. So it's saying right here, account status should show closed by consumer or closed at consumer's request. So it's showing you what should show on your report. If it shows closed by the creditor when you close it, that's a disputable inaccuracy. Lenders view this. Any late payment. So right here, it's advising you. Any late payment history before closure may remain, but it must be accurate. No new delinquency information should appear after the closure date. Proceed to check the accuracy of the late payment details themselves, right? So here it's advising you what to do, right? On number 5, you continue. Do you believe the late payments are actually accurate? No, I was not late, you can put. I was late, but the severity of numbers if late is wrong. This is a common thing. Sometimes it'll say, like on Equifax, let's say, it'll say 90 days late with some egregious number like 35 times, which is obviously a mathematical impossibility. It gives you some options right here. So we'll just go with this one, which is what we see often. Shows more months late than actually occurred. This is common. Shows high severity than accurate. 90 days late when it was really 30. That's common. Absurd numbers. Let's just go with the example I gave of the absurd numbers. And then boom, it highlights in red, which is there's yellow pop-ups here, and then there's red, with the red being kind of like you really got something good to dispute about. So absurd reporting, this screams system error, data corruption. Reporting like 90 days late, almost certainly Metro 2 formatting error or data corruption during furniture reporting. So it's giving you all the items basically that are wrong with this. This type of error, strong grounds for CFB complaint. So it's telling you everything that you can do right here. And then obviously you just continue, and it's asking you more questions, any additional questions, right? Compare this account's late payment history across all 3 bureaus. So let's say you're like, you know what, it's actually showing different across bureaus as well. So you put here different across bureaus, bam, it hits you with some other things that you can dispute on this item, right? You go to continue. Payment status code wrong. You're looking for what else is wrong, right? Date of last payment is wrong. If there's anything else wrong, you could click it, and then again it'll add further, right, findings right here. But let's just say that's it, right? So none of these, ready to move forward with strategy. It analyzes it, it finds the 3 issues that are wrong, and then right here, if you don't have an account, if you're not subscribed, well then you'd put your email here and it'll send you a report. This is only limited time, probably not going to be here anymore, but basically if you're subscribed, it'll create a report for you and basically tell you what to do. So yeah guys, this is how the tool works. Pretty awesome. Let me know if you need anything. You can email support or message this chat.